Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing Rockstar Games Launcher error code 1 can be incredibly annoying, right? This specific code typically indicates an issue with your connection to Rockstar's online services. It often pops up when the launcher struggles to authenticate or download necessary game data. Don't worry, many players encounter this, and there are several straightforward steps we can take to get you back into your games. Let's dive into some effective solutions. Our first steps are simple, but often surprisingly effective. Start by completely restarting both your computer and your internet router. This can often clear up minor network glitches. While they are rebooting, double-check that your internet connection is stable and working fine for other applications. Also, if you use a VPN or any proxy software, try disabling them temporarily, as they sometimes interfere with the launcher's connection. If basic restarts don't help, let's try some network-specific fixes. Sometimes, changing your DNS server can make a big difference. Try switching to a public DNS like Google's at 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's at 1.1.1.1. Additionally, releasing and renewing your IP address through the command prompt can refresh your network settings, often resolving underlying connection conflicts. These steps help ensure your computer communicates efficiently with Rockstar's servers. Next, we'll look at the launcher's own files. Corrupted cache data can sometimes cause these errors, so try clearing the Rockstar Games Launcher cache. You can usually find this folder within your program data directory. Simply delete the files inside, then restart the launcher. If the error persists after these steps, a complete reinstallation of the Rockstar Games Launcher might be your best bet, ensuring a fresh start. We've covered a range of solutions for Rockstar Games Launcher error code 1, from simple restarts to more advanced network and file fixes. Most players find success with one of these methods. Remember to try each step patiently and individually. If, after all this, you're still facing the error, don't hesitate to reach out directly to Rockstar Games support. They can offer more personalized assistance. We hope this helps you get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.